I'm dropping a new video. I know it's been a while. I got something very special cooked up.
It looks like you lost another one.
Man, this is a Toonworks, and for those of you that are not familiar with Toonworks, it's a special brand that I offer on my website. This particular design is based off of the film, the classic film, South Central, starring the actor Glenn Plummer. It's a great story. I'm not going to be a spoiler. I understand that a lot of you guys, you young guys especially, need to catch up on the old school stuff. So I ain't going to spoil the movie. I'm going to let you go watch that. But stay tuned, man. This is going to be a great work, man. Check it out. I got to give you a little bit of 411 on what the movie was actually about to pretty much explain what you're looking at on your screen. You can see the father, he's all scratched up and scarred up. He's bleeding out of his face because he had to go through a little bit of hell to save his son from the streets that he was involved in his past. But he has now faced redemption, and he will do anything at this point to save his son's life. You know, some people do their cartoons differently. This is the way that I do mine. I just chop everything down and I split everything up. And then later on, I conjoin everything back together. At least everything that I actually used out of the image. This makes it a little bit easier for me. And so I focus on the tracing and the coloring, the basic first layers of coloring. So as you can see, one of the biggest things that I have to start focusing on is preserving the likeness of the people that are in the images that I use. And it's not only the likeness, it's also the energy of the image that I'm turning into a cartoon. So in this case, it's a very intense moment. This guy's just went through a lot to save his son's life from someone that did not care about him or his son's life. He had to go through a lot, and he probably could have very much died in the process of trying to save his son. But he was down with doing whatever it took to save his son's life. So that's the energy of this cartoon. This design, you know, a lot can be done with this. This is a Toonwork, like I said. I can make a poster of this. It can go in a studio. It can go on a wall. I could probably sell these on eBay. I could do a custom t-shirt with this design. I can do so much with it, and it means so much. It stands for fatherhood. What good father would not want to wear a shirt like this or have a poster of this in their house or in their kid's bedroom? It symbolizes going through the storm to save the son that you love. And there's so many young men, especially young black men, that need their father in their lives, man. So this is a very important Toonwork, man. I love it. You know, I don't care what nobody say. Shout out to Glenn Plummer, and shout out to the little guy that played the role of the little boy that needed to be saved, man. So if you haven't checked that movie out, go check that movie out, man. You can't miss with that movie right there, man. With all of this being said, man, you see the work on the screen, man. Give me a like and give me a subscribe, man. Hit that bell button so you can get notified when I post new videos. And man, go check out my website. Go check out the Instagram. Go check out everything, the Facebook. You see the information at the bottom of the screen, man. Check me out. Follow me and hit me up, man. Let me know what you think in the comments, man. It's Graphic King, Royalty and Digital Artworks. God bless you all. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.